For 7.1, task 1, we're going to be working on percents, fractions, and decimals. So remember, a percent is just a ratio, and a ratio is just a fraction. And it's always compared to 100. The percent sign looks like this, right? I can remember it means 100, kind of like, right? Here's my 100. It's always out of 100. It's not going to tell you that. We just have to remember percent of 100, every 100 cents in a dollar. So it says Eleanor, Tilly, and Caleb earn money training dogs to surf. For every dollar they earn, Caleb gets 20 cents, Tilly gets 30 cents, Eleanor gets 50 cents. So we're going to write a ratio that shows how much the trainer earns. So we're going to put Caleb here, Tilly's here, Eleanor's here, and they're out of 100 cents in a dollar. So Caleb's portion of each dollar is shaded in on our 100 grid. How many boxes would we need to shade in Tilly's portion? So, right, Tilly has 30 cents. So we would need to shade in 30 of these boxes to represent how much Tilly earns. And then the rest of it should be Eleanor's. So a percent is just a part to whole ratio. We get the part, the whole is 100. Every time, 100. So we could write 25% as 25 to 100, or 25 out of 100, or 25%. It means 25 out of 100. So write percents to represent the amounts Caleb and Tilly earn from each dollar. So we want to write the percent. So Caleb earned 20 cents. So this is Caleb. Caleb earned 20 cents out of, actually I'm going to write it as a fraction because a ratio really is just a fraction. So he earned 20 cents out of 100. Or I can write it as a percent. It's already out of 100, so I can just say 20%, right? That percent sign means out of 100, 20 out of 100. So I'm going to let you try Tilly. So write Tilly as a fraction, and then write Tilly as a percent. And then part D says, what does the part of the grid that isn't shaded represent? Write a percent for that part. So if you remember, we had Tilly up here, and she had 30 of these boxes. She earned 30 cents. So that means the rest of this, right? So here is Caleb's section. Here is Tilly's section. And there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Eleanor had 50. So the rest of this is Eleanor up here. So I want you to write the fraction and the percent for Eleanor, remembering that percents are always out of 100. Let's go ahead and finish that up.